The kid had a bat. The kid had a bat. The mat. The no mad no ma no man.
Apo.
The man had a wet. The man had a wig.
Apo. Bilisan mo.
The man had a wig.
Very good.
Hindi ako makaupo. Hello.
Sige na. Next.
Bug.
A bag. Bag ang ano yan.
Bag in
Apo.
a bag
Apo.
is in the ito may langgam
In the
bag.
oh, faster.
A bag is in the bag.
Very good. Next.
Saan dito? Ito, dami lang langgam dito.
Ito na, ito na.
Mama, dami langgam.
Sige na.
The id.
Apo. Ulit. Did.
I did on not
Tignan mo yung letters.
I don't
Konturo mo.
did.
Apo.
I did not get I did not get wet.
Oh, faster.
I don't get wet.
I did not get wet.
I don't not get
Next.
wet. Ito na.
Ito. Faster.
The pig is in a
Tab ang pronunciation. Apo.
pig. The pig is in a tub.
Very good.
The pig is in the tub.
Next.
Ito na.
Mm-mm.
The